Hi, this is Mukesh. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel, The PM Tutorials. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the International Standard Units, SI units. We are going to discuss here each and every parameters in details along with definition. The objective of this session is to recognize SI units and their importance for measurement in everyday life. Every field of science involves taking measurement, understanding them, and communicating them to others. In other words, we can say the same basic language used for science. The SI system, also called the metric system, which is used worldwide. As we discussed here, there are 7 basic units of the SI system: meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, mole, and candela. Now, further, we are going to discuss each and every parameter in detail. Here, we are going to see which parameter uses in which field. Like first one, the kilogram. The kilogram, it is used for measuring mass. Second, it is used for the measuring time, and Kelvin used for temperature, ampere used for electric current, and mole used for amount of substance, candela used for the luminous intensity, and the meter used for the measuring distance. Now we are going to discuss each and every parameters along with definition. The first one is meter. Meter, definition of meter is, it was originally defined as the one of 10 million of the distance from the Earth's equator to the North Pole measured on the circumference through Paris. Now it is changed. Currently, it is defined as the distance traveled by a light in a vacuum over a time interval of 1 of 29 million of a second. Kilogram was originally defined as a mass of a liter, but currently it is changed. Now it is defined as the mass of the platinum iridium kilogram sample maintained by the Bureau in International Standards in France. The second was originally based on the standard day of a 24-hour, with each hour was divided in 60 minutes and each minute was divided by the 60 seconds. But however, we know that now the complete rotation of the earth actually takes 23 hours and 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds. So the definition has been changed. A second is now defined as the duration of 2 million periods of the rate for transition between the two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium atom. Ampere. The ampere is a measurement of amount of electric charge passing through a point in an electric circuit per unit time. Like how much electrons are passing in a second. It is called a coulomb. A coulomb consists 6.241 into 10 to the power 18 electrons per second. It constitutes 1 ampere. The Kelvin is the unit of thermodynamic temperature scale. This scale starts at 0 Kelvin, and the incremental size of the Kelvin is the same as that of degree of the Celsius. And Celsius, it is also known as a centigrade scale. And the Kelvin is a fraction of 1 of 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of a triple point of water, which is exactly at 0 degree centigrade and 32.018 degree Fahrenheit. Mole. The mole is a number that relates molecular of the atomic mass to a constant number of particles, which is defined as the amount of a substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon atom. Candela, it is used for measuring luminous intensity. And how we are going to use it? The candela, it was so named to refer the candle power back days when candle were the most common source of illumination. Now with the prevalence of the incandescent and the fluorescent light sources, the candela is defined as the luminous intensity of a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic light. Thank you for watching till the end. Please don't forget to like our Facebook page @ the PM Tutorials and Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, the PM Tutorials.